Today we are going to discuss exercise 6.2 10th class TS government exercise 6.2 question number 3. See here what they are asking. Find the respective terms for the following APs. So what is given here? A2 is given, A4 is given. Find A1 comma A3. So A2 is nothing but T2. We can call T2 or A2. A4 means T3. Sorry, A4 means T4. A4 or T4 both are same. So first write down what is given. Given A2 is equal 13, A4 is equal 3, and A1 we have to find, A3 also we have to find. We know the formula Tn is equal A plus n minus 1 into D. Means 1 should be less here. Here n means n minus 1. Here 2 means 2 minus 1, 1, 1D. A2 is equal to A plus D. So A2 how much is given? 13. Therefore A plus D is equal 13. Keep this as equation 1. Next what is given? A4 is given. So already I said n minus 1. A4 means 3. How 3 will come? Listen here. A4 means A plus 4 minus 1 into D. 4 minus 1 means 3. 3D. A plus 3D is equal to 3. We got two equations. So last class we learned how to eliminate the equations. Here directly, no need to multiply anything. Directly we are getting here. So A plus D is equal to 13. A plus 3D is equal to 3. So subtracting the equation minus minus minus. So these terms will be cancelled. D minus 3D minus 2D. 13 minus 3, 10. Minus 2D is equal to 10. Then D is equal to 10 by minus 2. 2 ones are 2 5s are. So D value is how much? Minus 5. So these D value substituting in the equation 1 or equation 2, you will get the value of A. Yes. Okay. Next. So D is equal to minus 5 substituting in the equation 1. Sir, shall I substitute in equation 2? Yes, your wish. You can substitute anywhere. A plus D is equal to 13. So D is nothing but minus 5. A minus 5 is equal to 13. So minus will go that side, plus A is equal 13 plus 5. 13 plus 5 means 18. So A is equal to 18. And D is minus 5. But what they are asking the values, find A3 and A. A already we got. A3 means what? A plus 2D. A plus 2D. Yes, clear? We got A value and we substituted and we got A3 value also. So once again see here, A3 is equal to A plus 2D. A value is how much? 18 plus 2 into D value is minus 5. 2 minus minus 10. 18 minus 10, 8. So we got A3 value and A1 value. Clear? Okay. Next what they are asking, A1 is given, A4 is given. Find A2 comma A3. So whenever we are seeing the fractions, don't get any fear. Do it. It will come easily only. A1 is equal to 5. Okay. A4 means what? A plus 3D. A4 means what? A plus 3D. How much is given? 9 1 by 2. 9 1 by 2 means 9 2 is 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 19 by 2. So these values substitute here. So first we will see what we can get. A plus 3D is equal to 19 by 2. A is nothing but 5. 5 plus 3D is equal to 19 by 2. Then 3D is equal to 19 by 2 minus 5. So 2 5s are 10. 19 minus 10 by 2. 3D is equal to 19 minus 10 by 2. Then 19 minus 10 means 9. So 3D is equal to 9 by 2. Then D is equal to here 9 by 2 into 3 will go that side, 1 by 3. 3 will go that side, 1 by 3. 3 ones are, 3 threes are. So answer is 3 by 2. We got the D value is 3 by 2. Okay, and what they're asking, a2 comma a3. A2 means what? A2 means a plus d. A value how much? 5 plus d value is how much? 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2. So what we have to do? 3 5 are 10. 10 plus 3, 13 by 2. Same, a2 is also. A2 how much you got? 13 by 2. And what is asking? A3. So you can use this formula or you can add d to a2. So a3 is nothing but a2 plus d also you will get the answer. Okay, anyway you can do. Yes, a3 is equals a plus 2d. A means 5 plus 2 into 3 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is how much? 8. So a4 is how much? 8. Okay now. Now coming to the next question. Same. Here also you will get two equations. By using elimination method, you will get the answers. And so what is given? A1 is given. Means this A value, if you substitute in this equation, you will get the D value. I am not explaining completely. You can do this. Okay. After getting D value and A value, you can find any value. Okay now, just addition and subtraction only. So I don't want to explain these. Okay. If you want see once. Okay. Next question, what is given? A2 is given, A6 is given. So find A1, A3, A4, A5. So not only A1, A3, A5, we can find so many. If you know A value and D value, we can find all the values. We don't want any worry. So from this you will get one equation. From this you will get one more equation. If you solve these two equations by elimination method, you will get the A value and D value. If you know A value and D value, you can find all these values. Okay. Next. See here, if you have any doubts, but don't copy these sums. First you try to do. After trying, you have to check whether you done correct or not. And before going to check in these, first you check the back answer. Whether if it is back answer is wrong means, then you go for this one. Just a simple addition and subtraction. Sir, here multiplication is there, sir. Don't think like that. Next, coming to here. Question number 4. What they are asking? Which term of AP is 3, 8, 13, 18 and so on is 78. So before that, what they are asking? Find a 14th term, find 17th term, find 19th term, find 5th term, find 1st term. Like that they are asking. But what they are asking? So 78 is there in this progression. Then what is this number they are asking? Okay, let me see. So first we write what it may be. In mathematics, what we have to do? If you know or don't know, first write down given and formula. Compulsory, you will get the conclusion. So A value is given and D value we can find. How can we find T2 minus T1? Sir, here A2 minus A1 they wrote, sir. Nothing will happen. A2 minus A1 or T2 minus T1, both are same. Yes, you got A value and D value. And what is given? 78. So this we have to write n is equal to 78. We don't know what is the value of n. Okay, write as is only. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. A means what? 3 plus, don't keep is equal symbols in same line. 2 is equal symbols. Okay. 3 plus n minus 1 into d value is how much? 5 is equal to 78. Don't move to 5 that side, or you can move 3 to that side, or you have to multiply. Okay, what I done here, that we'll see. 3 plus 5 into n, 5n, 5 into minus 1, minus 5 is equal to 78. Next, 5n, 3 minus 5 minus 2 is equal to 78. 5n minus 2 is equal to 78. 5n is equal to 78 plus 2. 78 plus 2 means 80. Then n is equal to 80 by 5. 5 ones are 5 16s are. So n value is how much? 16. So 78 is which term? 16th term in the given progression. So today's last question. Find the number of terms in each of the following APs. What they are asking? Find the number of terms. What is given by seeing only we can say, oh, they gave last term. Okay. In the progression, the last term is given. Generally, what they are asking? Nothing. Before that we done now. Find the n value. Same here also like that only. Same as it is. A value we know, D value we know. Tn value also we know. We should find the value of n. Okay na? Today you have to finish till 5 bits. In exercise 6.2 exercise 6.2 finish these 5 bits. Then tomorrow we'll discuss next 6th bit onwards. So once again see here 5th bit first one and 5th bit second one. And once again I am saying don't copy. After completing only you should check the answers. Thank you. Have a nice day.